Hello, in this video we will learn how to draw the bisector of an angle. Let an angle A is given. We want to draw the angle bisector. First we place the pointer of the compasses at A point and draw an arc of n radius. The arc cuts the sides of angle A at B and C points. Now we can keep the radius same, or we can change the radius at our convenience. But the radius should be more than half of the length BC. Now with B as center, we draw an arc in the interior of angle A whose radius is more than half of the length BC. With the same radius and with C as center, we draw another arc in the interior of angle A. Let the two arcs intersect at D. We join A and D and extend. Then AD is the recurved bisector of angle A. Following the steps, now we can write down the description of drawing. Thank you.